In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a recovery contact on your iPhone. What a recovery contact is? It's contact of someone whom you trust to help you get back into your account. This person will receive a one-time code to help you get back into your account if you get locked out. Make sure that this person must also have an updated Apple device, iPhone, iPad or Mac. So let's get started, and first open up your settings and here tap on your name right here at the top. Then select password and security. Here tap on account recovery, and at that screen select add recovery contact. There you can get some information about what account recovery contact is, and tap on add recovery contact button here. Confirm your action by Face ID, and here select a contact for recovery. For that you can use search bar, select a person and tap add. And then tap on send to send a message to that person to invite them being your recovery contact. And when that person will accept that invitation, you will get a notification on your email. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.